Hey guys, it's Dolly Yara, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of green tea. Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of green tea myths. So, grab your favorite mug of green tea, or maybe just water for now, and let's spill the tea on green tea.
All right, let's talk detox. You've probably heard claims that green tea can detoxify your body, right? But here's the truth. The concept of detoxification as promoted by various health trends is largely a myth. Your body is a pretty amazing machine, and it comes equipped with its own built-in detox system. We're talking about your liver, kidneys, lungs, and skin. These organs work tirelessly to eliminate toxins naturally. You don't need any fancy teas or supplements to do the job for you. Think of it this way. Your liver is like a powerful filter, constantly cleaning your blood and removing harmful substances. Your kidneys act as waste disposal units, filtering out toxins and excess fluids through urine. And your lungs? They're constantly expelling carbon dioxide, a natural byproduct of metabolism. So while green tea does contain beneficial antioxidants, it's not a magic detox potion. Don't fall for the hype. Instead of relying on detox teas, focus on supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And don't forget about regular exercise. Sweating during a workout can help eliminate toxins through your skin.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room: weight loss. Green tea has gained quite a reputation as a weight loss aid, but does it live up to the hype? Well, the belief that green tea can rapidly promote weight loss is overstated. While some studies suggest that green tea can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and increasing fat oxidation due to its caffeine and catechin content, the effects are typically modest. Green tea does contain caffeine, which can temporarily increase your metabolism and make you feel more energized. It also contains catechins, particularly a type called EGCG, which has been linked to a slight increase in calorie expenditure. However, the key word here is slight. Don't expect to drop pounds overnight just by sipping on green tea. Weight loss is a complex process that involves multiple factors, including diet, exercise, genetics, and overall health. Green tea can be a part of a healthy weight loss journey, but it's not a magic bullet. Instead of relying solely on green tea, focus on creating a sustainable calorie deficit through a balanced diet and regular exercise. So, enjoy your green tea, but don't pin all your weight loss hopes on it.
When it comes to green tea, more is not always better. Drinking excessive amounts of green tea does not necessarily translate to greater health benefits and can actually have adverse effects. Consuming large quantities of green tea can lead to an excessive intake of caffeine, which may cause side effects such as anxiety, insomnia, stomach upset, and palpitations. While green tea generally contains less caffeine than coffee, it's still a stimulant. And just like with any stimulant, too much can lead to unwanted side effects. If you're sensitive to caffeine, you might experience anxiety, jitters, insomnia, or an upset stomach if you overdo it on the green tea. And it's not just caffeine you need to be mindful of. Green tea also contains tannins, which can interfere with iron absorption. This is especially important for people who are iron deficient or at risk of iron deficiency. So, how much green tea is too much? Well, it varies from person to person depending on factors like caffeine sensitivity, overall health, and individual tolerance. As a general guideline, most health organizations recommend consuming no more than 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day. Listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds to green tea. Moderation is key, my friends.
Green tea has been hailed for its potential cancer-fighting properties, but let's separate fact from fiction. While some studies suggest that the antioxidants in green tea may have cancer-preventive properties, the evidence is not conclusive. Laboratory studies have shown that catechins in green tea can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis in certain cancer types. However, these results have not consistently translated to human studies. It's important to understand that laboratory studies are conducted in controlled environments using isolated cells. Human studies on green tea and cancer prevention have yielded mixed results. More research is needed to determine the specific types and amounts of green tea that may offer protective benefits, as well as the mechanisms involved. While green tea may play a role in cancer prevention, it should not be considered a substitute for proven prevention strategies such as regular screenings, a healthy lifestyle, and avoiding tobacco use. Cancer is a complex disease with multiple risk factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and environmental exposures.
You might have heard that drinking green tea on an empty stomach can enhance its benefits. However, this isn't necessarily true and can even lead to discomfort for some people. Drinking green tea on an empty stomach can sometimes cause stomach discomfort or nausea in some people due to its tannin content. Tannins can increase stomach acidity, leading to digestive issues, especially for those with a sensitive stomach. While tannins offer some health benefits, they can also irritate the stomach lining, especially when consumed on an empty stomach. If you have a sensitive stomach or experience discomfort after drinking green tea on an empty stomach, it's best to avoid it. Instead, try enjoying your green tea after meals or with a light snack. This can help buffer the tannins and reduce the likelihood of stomach upset. Listen to your body and adjust your green tea consumption accordingly. If you have any concerns about your digestive health, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional.
Can green tea interfere with your sleep? It's a common concern, especially for those who are sensitive to caffeine. While green tea does contain caffeine, it typically has less caffeine than coffee. For most people, moderate green tea consumption is unlikely to cause insomnia. However, those who are particularly sensitive to caffeine might experience sleep disturbances if they drink green tea in the late afternoon or evening. The caffeine content of green tea can vary depending on the type of tea, brewing time, and brewing temperature. If you're sensitive to caffeine, it's best to avoid drinking green tea in the hours leading up to bedtime. Opt for caffeine-free beverages like herbal tea or water instead. Even if you're not particularly sensitive to caffeine, excessive green tea consumption can still disrupt your sleep. If you're experiencing sleep problems, consider limiting your green tea intake or avoiding it altogether before bed.
Not all green teas are created equal. The quality and benefits of green tea can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the variety of tea plant, growing conditions, processing methods, and preparation techniques. It's essential to choose high-quality green tea from reputable sources to maximize its health benefits. There are different varieties of tea plants, each with its unique flavor profile and antioxidant content. Some popular varieties include Camellia sinensis var. Sinensis and Camellia sinensis var assamica. Growing conditions also play a crucial role in the quality of green tea. Factors like altitude, climate, and soil composition can influence the tea's flavor and nutrient content. Tea plants grown in higher altitudes tend to have a more delicate flavor and higher antioxidant levels. Processing methods also impact the quality of green tea. After harvesting, tea leaves undergo various processing steps, including withering, rolling, oxidation, and drying. Green tea is unique because it's minimally processed, which helps preserve its delicate flavor and beneficial compounds. The water temperature, brewing time, and tea-to-water ratio can all influence the final cup. Experiment with different brewing methods to find what you enjoy best.
While green tea has many health benefits, it should not be considered a substitute for prescribed medications or treatments. Green tea can complement these treatments by supporting overall health, but it is not a cure-all. Green tea can interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding it to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. For example, green tea can interfere with blood thinners, certain antidepressants, and medications for heart conditions. If you're considering using green tea for its potential health benefits, consult with a qualified healthcare professional. Remember, green tea is a beverage, not a medicine.
That's it for today's deep dive into green tea myths. Thank you for joining us in debunking these common green tea myths. Stay informed and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more evidence-based health information. Until next time, stay healthy and hydrated.